Every customer, every sector, small or big, moves in different directions, and they all have different needs. That's where the agility and flexibility of WVT Industries kicks in. WVT develops and manufactures specialized sustainable industrial cleaning and chemical products. From very small quantities to large volumes, and from everyday products to the very engineered and complex, the experts at WVT realize the most sustainable and cost-effectiveness tailor-made solutions for the most diverse sectors. Every sector, every customer is different. Every cleaning problem is different. Every product is different. Yet the specialists at WVT always go the extra mile and often exceed customer expectations. In this way, they can focus on their core business. It's exactly by thoroughly listening to their customers that WVT is able to create new, own and private label quality products that meet the highest environmental regulations. Fully automatic production processes in optimal circumstances lead into products that are fully inspected, certified and traceable. At specially equipped, secure warehouses, the often vital products then await shipment. It guarantees a quick 24/7 response to orders. WVT likes to call it big enough to deliver, small enough to care. Today, WVT distributes over 650 different high-quality products from its headquarters in Belgium and from its Asian operations in Singapore to customers globally. Customer-driven, tailor-made sustainable solutions. WVT Industries. We clean, we care.